Check. Teddy, check.
Yay!
You're all ready for school, honey.
I like school time. I like school. I do. When I go to school, I learn something new. Oh, wow!
First we hang up our bags. Yes, we hang our bags like that. Yes, we hang up our bags. Then we go up to class. Your own name tag, Baby John.
Whoa! I like school time. I like school. I do. When I go to school, I learn something new.
Next we add our picture. Yes, we add it just like that. Yes, we add our picture. Then we go up to class.
I like school time. I like school. I do. When I go to school, I learn something new.
Now we put things away. Yes, we put them away like that. Yes, we put things away. Then we go up to class. Great job, Baby John. You're all set now.
Yay! I like school time. I like school. I do. When I go to school, I learn something new.
And we wash our hands. Yes, we wash them just like that. Yes, we wash our hands.
Then I go up to class.
Great job! Are you ready to join the class now?
I like school time. I like school. I do.